YouTube, it's your boy TC the Barber, back with a smooth as this camera right here. I'm excited today because I got something in the mail. Yeah, I got it. Been hearing a lot about them. I heard they murdering the game right now. I'm going up.
Oh my God!
Yeah, that was a little bit extra. What'd you say? You want me to open you up? Yeah. Stylecraft Rebel, baby. And it looks like you got 3 cases. You can do either the black, you can do the blue, or you can do the, what's that, pink? Let's get a close-up. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful. They calling me. They calling me. They calling me. I'm ready to cut right now. Somebody who around here stay still, kid. No, I'm just yo. Off top, I like how they feel. Power. Powerful. Powerful. All right, so let's talk about it. So looking at the blade, got the black diamond fixed fusion blade, rust free. That sound crazy nice. I'm gonna let you know that right now. They got the custom levers. You could change out blue, pink, whatever you wanna call that color. And they function up to about 3 hours of running time. I need that. Yes, I need that. They got the charger, you know, stands charger you can set in. Which I got a lot of stuff at my station, so I'm gonna have to put these in a drawer. You know what? I can't do that. I gotta set them in a charging stance, you know, like a trophy. Anyways, they got the magnet Stylecraft guards. Now that's dope. Out of all the clippers that came out, other than the Andes with the purple magnet guards, Stylecraft got some magnet guards, which I love. So yeah, that's what it is. Hold up, wait a minute. I'll forget something. How can I forget the lithium-ion battery that's built into the clippers? One of the best batteries on the market. And they got the 7200 RPMs with this super twerk motor. That's all I need to say, man. So that's some of the qualities it has. So if you definitely thinking about getting them, I did my research. I got mine. You go get yours. There you go. Anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all. That's my unboxing of Stylecraft Rebels. And it's time I'm just ready to get to work. Just ready to get to work, get to cut. You know what I mean? Again, my name is TC Barber. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Also that notification bell that you know when I drop upcoming content. And hit that thumbs up if you like what you see. All right? Let's go.